Hi, I'm François Janot. I'm going to be talking about the actuator that KEMET recently launched. It's a haptic actuator that is made of a film, so it's very thin and flexible. Traditional actuators typically shake the full device, like shake the full phone or gaming controller. Our actuators only vibrate the surface of the device and vibrate the surface locally where the actuator is embedded to. So if you put an actuator on a trigger, you're going to feel the sensation only in your index finger. The other thing that our actuator is good at is that we can vibrate at any frequency. So we can create different sensations so that the user experience will match whatever is happening during the game or the application. Let's look at our demo now. In this demonstrator, we have embedded actuators in two locations. One is on top of the joystick, and the other one is on this button. I'm going to put my two thumbs on those buttons and start to interact with the software application. In this experience, I actually feel a pulse on my two fingers. If I move here, I'm going to start to feel a very different sensation that kind of mimic the sensation of a hand touching water. I'll show you one more. This rolling the dice kind of small videos where I can actually feel dice rolling on the table on my two thumbs. So this demonstrator illustrates the fact that the sensation is very localized and also can be very different from one another. If you want to learn more, just go to our website on kemet.com or contact your salesperson. We'll be happy to show you the demo. Thank you.